Now there are so many AI tools, and one of the most prominent ones is Grok AI. Sometimes when you give a prompt to Grok AI, you might not get great results. You may think it's a problem with Grok AI, but sometimes it's actually your prompting that's the issue, because prompting is really important. If you give a good prompt, you'll get much better results. So in this video, we'll talk about how to give good prompts to get better results from Grok. For this, install the Grok app and open it. After that, here you can see Ask Anything. Click there, and once you do, you can ask whatever question you want. And sometimes it'll be a simple question, like, for example, what is this black hole thing? Or whatever. Sometimes your question will just be what is a black hole? If you type that, you'll still get results. But if you want better results, you need to tell it what you already know. Sometimes you won't know anything about black holes. In that case, you can say, explain black holes like I'm 10 years old, or explain black holes like I know nothing. So then Grok AI will explain it to you like you're a complete beginner. But if you already know something, you can say, I know the basics, explain more advanced things. Or if you're a PG student in physics, you can say, I'm a PG student in physics, so explain it like I'm a PG student in physics. So it'll explain more complex things to you. Basically, if you tell it what you know, you'll get better results. And sometimes you won't be asking general questions like this. Sometimes you'll be asking personalized things. For example, if you have a company and you want a marketing strategy, you can ask Grok AI. That's something personalized, only you know those details. So normally what we do is just say, we want a marketing strategy, plus the company name and what we do. But if you want better results, don't prompt like that. In that case, there are 3 important things to keep in mind. One is you should assign a role to Grok. Another is you should tell it what you want. And the third is you should give context. So first, we need to give it a role. Here, the role is telling Grok, you are a marketing expert with 10 years of experience. So the role is marketing expert. Second is what we want. Here, we want a marketing strategy for our company, tell it that. And the third thing is context, and here you need to give as many details as possible. Here we want to give maximum details about our company. When you give maximum details, you'll get better results. So after that, click the send button. You'll get a much better result for you. So when you click send, you'll get a better marketing strategy for your company. And one more tip, if you're not good at prompting, you can ask Grok to generate a prompt for you. For that, go to a new chat and tell Grok to give you a prompt. So in this case also, you should follow those 3 things. First is giving it a role. Here the role is, you are a prompt engineer with 5 years of experience, or something like that. So the role is prompt engineer. Then we should tell it what we want. We want a good prompt for a marketing strategy, so say that. And the third thing is context. And here also, you should give maximum details about your company. After that, if you click send, you'll get a better prompt. You need to go through that prompt. There you'll see so many details that you didn't even think of. And the thing is, only you know about your company. So if there's any mistake in that prompt, you need to correct it, add more details, and then paste it in a new chat. And if you send that prompt, you'll get better results. So this way you can easily give good prompts to get better results on Grok AI. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.